Hi, everybody, and a good Wednesday, March the 3rd, 2021 to everybody. Welcome to Weather Channel J7409. My name is Jewel, and this is the weather news that you can use. Here we have the NDFD map set for the 12Z run today. You can see we have some rain that's moving off the coast here. Heavier rain down in southern North Carolina, portions of South Carolina and eastern Georgia as it moves on across. This low pressure should get up and get on out of here soon. Still have some moderate to light snow going on up in northern New York and also some in Vermont, New Hampshire. Just a tiny bit in Maine. We'll move up to the 18Z run here if we can get it to go over here. I don't know why it won't. And here we go with the 18Z run. You can see from the midnight run until the 18Z run, see how this rain just fizzles on out and turns into light rain mostly. We do have something that Southern California don't get a lot of. That's rain. How about that? They even got a little bit of mixture, like very light going on the eastern sector of this low that's coming through. We'll move up to Thursday, midnight Thursday. You can see what's happening here as these systems progress right on along. 6 o'clock run Thursday. This low that moves across with all the other low in it here. As you can see, we should have some snow starting down around New Mexico, also in the mountainous areas of Arizona. Ice, lots of ice and rain mixture for Arizona. Utah, we've got ice, rain, and snow. Also for Colorado, same things going on. Still, this is light snow in Ohio, moving on across into New York. 12Z run for Thursday. Friday, the midnight run. All of that snow just about turns to rain as this low pressure moves up from the Gulf and up through Texas. And over in the North Pacific, you guys are getting lots of rain in Washington State and in northeastern Oregon. A little bit of mixture for Washington State on the east side of the system coming in, and by Friday at the 12Z run, you can see rain, and more rain coming down into parts of Oklahoma, Arizona, Louisiana, Texas, and in Kansas. Still, this light snow, this is light snow. It keeps wanting to hang on for the northeast and in the northwest. Heavy rain continuing for Washington State, large portions of Oregon, with a mixture of some ice and some snow on the eastern sections. You've heard me talk about flooding going on for the past week. Well, in eastern Kentucky, they got hit bad. The governor has declared state of emergency, at least as of now. It may be more, but the last that I have been able to find out, 2 are dead and 6 are missing. This goes from Lexington right on across into eastern Kentucky. You can see how the water washed away the foundation where their mobile home was, and it is going to float off. Here we have a picture of how the church is flooded. Look at that, folks. This is awful. This is close to a school district. Would you look at the school buses? Look at this, people. These people are in trouble. We need to keep them in our prayers and our thoughts. And, of course, there's been many water rescues. This is all in eastern Kentucky. Please don't forget these folks. This is very bad. If you're into daily weather forecast, please subscribe if you'd like to choose to do so. Click subscribe, click the bell, and check off all. And don't forget about Andale Homestead in the Colony. Her link will be down below and show more. I have posted weather watches and warnings up for today in the community post. If you go over, you can check them out. Let's check out what should be going on as we look at my future radar. this will take us right on through the next couple of days. As I turn it on, I'll let it roll on through. It looks like the surface low pressure system, along with the upper level low, they are forecast to move across Southern California into the Four Corner states through Thursday and into the Southern Plains early Friday. Now, along this track, precipitation's forecast to spread across these regions, with rain in the lower elevations and snow in the higher elevations, as we've seen. Snow could accumulate to a few inches in the mountains of Southern California, the Mongolian Rim, and the Wasatch, while the Central Rockies and San Juan Mountains, you guys could see 6 inches to a foot of snow through Friday morning. Showers and a few thunderstorms are forecast for the southern and central plains late Thursday into Friday. And then we have another threat with this system. That's going to be fire danger. Now, elevated risk of fire weather as well as red flag warnings are in effect for much of Arizona today. Now, Thursday, as the winds increase and the humidity dries out behind the cold front, there's a critical risk of fire weather in place for the southern high plains. Elsewhere, the southeast should see rain and thunderstorms ending today after a low pressure system moves away into the Atlantic. Some light snow is possible in the interior northeast through Thursday, as we've seen, with snow accumulating to a few inches possible in the higher elevations. Now, the Pacific Northwest, you can expect precipitation chances to increase late Thursday, late tomorrow into Friday as this upper level low and frontal system approaches. Temperature-wise, in the northern plains, you're going to be on the mild side with highs nearing or exceeding 60 degrees over the next several days. Now, that's about 20 to 30 degrees above average. Enjoy. While the southeast, we can expect to stay on the cool side, cooler than normal temperatures today, while Thursday is even going to be a little chillier than average in the northeast. And that's a check of your weather today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Don't forget to share this with your family, your friends, and on your social media to help me keep people informed and aware of what might be coming their way. I would appreciate it. So far as severe thunderstorms today, there are not any. That's good news. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.